Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a report in Grafiks Cloud in under a minute. Let's get started by clicking on the New button. Next, go ahead and click on the Quick Create button, then select New Report. You'll need to choose your data source from the options provided. If you can't find your data source, it's best to reach out to your administrator. If the data source is available, simply click the radio button next to it and proceed by clicking Confirm Selection. This action will take you to the report creation page. Once you're on the report creation page, you'll notice a list of chart options on the left and the fields from your data source on the right. To build your report, you can select any field and start dragging it over. Pause for a moment and drag it to the x-axis if it's a bar chart. Then take any numerical field and drop it on the y-axis. Click Get Result to generate your chart. To customize it further, you can change the color of the bar chart by selecting Color By and adjust as needed. If you prefer to alter the format, such as removing grid lines, just click on the grid line option. Toggle the Show button to turn it off if you don't want to display certain elements. If you'd like to include a legend, simply click on Show Legend. Sounds good, right? And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently create a report in Grafiks Cloud in just under a minute.